Making a great first impression on a date is really important. It sets the tone for the whole evening and can even affect whether you'll both want to meet up again. When you make a good first impression, it helps the other person feel comfortable and excited to spend time with you. To start off right, there are a few things you can do to show your best self. It's not just about looking nice or being polite, but also about being genuine and showing interest in the person you're meeting. These actions tell your date that you're happy to be there with them. This video will guide you through some key tips to help you make a fantastic first impression. From choosing what to wear to knowing what to say, you'll learn how to present yourself in the best possible way. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Make sure hit subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Now let's start. Number 1. Show genuine interest. An easy way to make a strong first impression is to actively listen and engage in conversation. Pay attention when your date shares details about their life and ask follow-up questions that show genuine curiosity. People love it when someone listens with real interest. Eye contact, a nod, and the occasional smile can go a long way in making them feel appreciated and listened to. That's fascinating. Adding some positive affirmations, such as "I'd like to hear more about that," can help strengthen a relationship. Sharing your reactions enthusiastically helps the conversation flow naturally and shows that you value what they have to say. Number 2. Dress to impress. What someone wears often affects how they feel. A neat, well-chosen outfit can boost confidence and convey the importance of the day. Choose clothes that are comfortable and suitable for the occasion. A casual coffee date may call for something casual but neat, while a fancy dinner may require a more formal dress. Being well-groomed and polished shows thoughtfulness, which helps leave a positive impression. It shows concern for personal appearance and respect for the person you meet. Ultimately, dressing appropriately helps set a confident, positive tone for the evening. Number 3. Maintain a positive attitude. Positivity can create a contagious, inviting atmosphere. Aim to keep the conversation light and avoid sensitive topics that can lead to tension in the first place. Complimenting their style or sense of humor while sharing interesting, uplifting stories helps build a happy, relaxed vibe. Offering a warm smile and being open to different perspectives will add energy to the meeting. Embracing positivity provides a solid foundation for future conversations and helps set the stage for an enjoyable date experience. Number 4. Be punctual. Being on time is key to starting the day off right. Being late can cause stress and make your date feel like you don't value your time. Plan before you know where you are going and how long it will take to get there. Even arriving a few minutes early can calm any nerves and show you're eager and ready. Sometimes, unexpected things happen like traffic jams or last-minute emergencies. If you find yourself running late, a quick message to your date can make a big difference. Letting them know shows that you respect them and are still committed to the plan. Letting your date know if you're running behind not only helps ease any potential tension, but also starts the date off with honest communication. It sets a solemn tone and helps maintain excitement for the evening ahead. Number 5. Use manners. Good manners never go out of style, and they play a huge role in making a great first impression. Simple gestures like saying please and thank you show kindness and respect. During the date, it's important to be polite to everyone, not just your date. How you treat the waitstaff or anyone else you interact with can reveal a lot about your character. A pagoda can also make the day feel special. Holding doors open, offering your jacket if it's cold, or letting them order first are signs of thoughtfulness. These acts of kindness highlight your good upbringing and concern for others. Finally, good table manners are very important when you are dining. Chew with your mouth closed, don't talk while eating, and keep your phone away from the table. These habits make meal times more enjoyable and show that you care about your behavior. Number 6. Keep your phone away. Presence is important. When you spend more time on your phone than connecting with the person in front of you, it shows a lack of interest. Keeping your phone out of sight helps you focus on your date and shows that you're fully invested in getting to know them. It is acceptable to use your phone only when you want to show a picture or answer an important call. However, be sure to explain why you want to use it so your date understands it's not out of interest. Fully engaging with your date will not only improve your relationship but also encourage deeper and more meaningful conversation. It shows respect and genuine interest in building a relationship. Number 7. Have fun and be yourself. The best way to leave a good impression is to be genuine. Pretending to be someone you're not can be obvious and uncomfortable for both people. Sharing your true interests, hobbies, and thoughts allows your date to get to know the real you. Smile and enjoy the moment. Humor is a great way to ease any nerves and help you both feel more comfortable. Sharing a smile creates a bond and often leads to unforgettable moments. Being yourself means being relaxed and natural. This encourages an honest exchange and can lead to more authentic interactions. Your date is more likely to enjoy spending time together if they get to know the real you, which sets the stage for a potentially amazing relationship. Number 8. Choose a comfortable setting. Choosing the right place for a date will help both of you feel comfortable. A quiet, comfortable place makes it easy to talk and listen without loud music or too many distractions. Think about what kind of atmosphere best suits the conversation you want. A peaceful setting allows both of you to focus on getting to know each other better. Consider what your date enjoys too. If they love art, a casual stroll through the gallery might be a good choice. Tailoring the venue to their tastes shows that you care and are paying attention to their tastes. Choosing a familiar location can also reduce nerves. Knowing the setting and what to expect from it will help you relax and enjoy the date more, which usually makes a great impression. Number 9. Ask open-ended questions. Asking questions that require more than a yes or no answer helps the conversation flow. Open-ended questions encourage your date to share more about their experiences and feelings. This can lead to deeper discussions and a better understanding of each other. Avoid fast-paced questions that can make the date feel like an interview. Instead, let the conversation grow naturally from their answers. Show interest in their stories by commenting or asking more about the topic they bring up. These types of questions show that you are interested in more than the surface details. They help build a relationship as you both share and explore different topics together. Number 10. Be mindful of body language. Your body language speaks volumes about how comfortable and interested you are. Maintaining eye contact shows confidence and that you are engaging in conversation. On the other hand, constantly checking your watch or looking around can make you bored or anxious. Smiling not only makes you feel closer, but also signals that you are happy. Subtly mirroring your date's gestures can make them feel more connected to you. Relaxing your posture and avoiding crossing your arms are simple ways to be open and inviting. This nonverbal communication can enhance the verbal part and make the overall experience more positive. Number 11. Be respectful of boundaries. Pay attention to personal space and verbal cues to ensure your date is comfortable. Not everyone is immediately open about their limitations, so it's important to be sensitive and respectful. A light touch on the hand may seem friendly to some but may be uncomfortable for others. Open-ended questions like "how do you feel about" can steer the conversation around sensitive topics without being too imposing. Listening closely to responses and adjusting your behavior accordingly demonstrates emotional intelligence. Respecting boundaries shows empathy and maturity, creating a safe and welcoming environment. This often leads to smoother, more enjoyable interactions. Number 12. Make eye contact. On your first date, try to avoid looking around the room, staring into the distance, or staring at your meal the entire time. Instead, look your date in the eye. Maintaining eye contact with your date shows that you are engaged in the conversation and not distracted by anything else going on in the room. Eye contact can also help establish a connection between you and your date. After all, they say the eyes are the windows to the soul.